Hi everybody, this is Fred. Just out of curiosity, like I always do stuff. Oh, found a magnet. Yep, I don't try to make fancy videos about jumping out of airplanes or swimming with sharks or looking inside the volcano or seeing how deep the ocean is. I don't try to make the money off the internet. I just do the stuff I just do. And today, just out of curiosity, I just wanted to see what's inside one of them little water filters, like the ones that you put on your faucet and stuff. So I'm gonna use this right here and kind of see what's inside. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Pieces might fly, but I'm just gonna see what's inside of this. Well, to me, it just looks like it's just a bunch of charcoal in there. Just from what I see. I ain't break it open, but let's do the other side. Let's just cut her open. Yeah, might as well go all the way and just look and see. So far, all I see is just a bunch of charcoal and some tubes in there. Didn't get down to the center of the earth with it yet. Let's just see what's inside. It's going crazy. Let's see if we can look at it. See if we can break it open. See what's inside. The only thing I see is some charcoal looking stuff. Yeah, that's all I see in there. A bunch of charcoal. I guess it's, you can see it on my hands, all that black stuff on charcoal. See all that charcoal stuff. I guess it's, I see what's in the middle of that, didn't I? Yeah, nothing but just charcoal canister with a little piece of paper. And then them little tubes there. Yeah. Yep. So now we know what's inside, don't we? Just some charcoal. I guess the charcoal's see if it'll catch on fire. See if we can use it in like a barbecue grill. If that's just charcoal, just take that plastic off of it. Yeah. Yeah, I got the plastic off of it. All of it, but there's one piece there. But that's all that's inside there that I see. Just some charcoal. So thanks for watching. Here it is September. I'll see what else I can experiment with and see what my curiosity can see. So thanks for watching. Yep, I don't make no money doing mystery videos, but I thought I would just share just what I'm just doing. I just do stuff all the time. Yeah, some things probably don't make no sense, but I was just curious to see what was inside of one of them, you know, those filters that goes up on your kitchen faucet or the faucets. And that's all it is, just some charcoal. And I'll do a little test and see if that there can catch on fire like a charcoal, like when you barbecue, if it's the same kind of charcoal. We'll see. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Bye bye.